Hello and welcome back to That LI Garage. We have a new build in the shop, a new project. We're gonna show what are you doing? We're gonna show these guys and show you what we have. We're gonna take a look at it, and that's actually really exciting. I don't want to tell you. We're not gonna tell you, right? He's practicing sign language. Okay, so before we go in, if you're new to this channel, we take these exotic cars that are crashed, we rebuild them, bring life to them. We do maintenance on some cars and show you how to. So please subscribe, like, and without further ado, let's show you the new build.
And hit the notification bell. Yeah, let's see that Audi.
Oh, you're ruining the surprise. Let's go. Let's go. You guys ready? You guys ready?
Yeah. Whoa. It kind of looks like a Bugatti. What the heck? Whoa. The oil is up here, not down here.
That's a gas tank.
Whoa. Look at that damage. What's in here? Damaged Audi. This is. Wait, can you take?
So it has a small hit in the front. When I examine it, it looks like not much damage was done to this thing actually.
Not much? Yeah.
No, not much.
Did you take everything that you?
No, we didn't. I didn't do anything. I just charged the battery. That's all I did. You guys want to hear the engine run?
Yeah.
Oh, and let me show you guys the best part. I know you guys won't understand. You're too young, but the people on the gated shifter, baby.
Wait,
the last of the gated shifter.
Whoa.
What are you showing? Oh, we have that over here. Oh, see that? Look, we got the Audi light underneath the door. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Audi. How good is the torque?
How good is the torque? He's Mr. Torque. How's the torque? Come, let's watch. Let's look at this engine. Ready?
Dun dun dun! Whoa!
Oh, it's gonna look so good after it gets cleaned up. Now, on the camera, you can't really tell, but it's a purple. It's a sparkly purple, but it's a wrap because underneath it's gray. It's silver gray. That's the color of the car.
And also, it's.
All right, so now I'm going to take the wheel off and see the damage that is underneath it. Beforehand, over here we have the radiator. We can tell the radiator needs to be changed. The radiator, like this whole assembly, the radiator assembly and the front radiator needs to be replaced. The frame, as you can see over here, not damaged at all. The only part is the radiator support over here needs to be replaced or bent back. Not a big deal at all. I'm going to take this wheel off. Before that, we did research. Before we purchased this car, we did the research on the car, and we found that it's actually kind of funny and sad. The last owner just bought the car, had a whole bunch of service done to it at the dealership, and then crashed it shortly after. It sucks. But so, anyways, the engine has everything done to it, but we're just gonna have to fix this. I'm gonna take the wheel. It has aftermarket wheels, OZ wheels. All right. Now what we could see here, we have coilovers. This one's destroyed. We need another shock. Part of it, everything else looks good. And then you could see over here we have the tie rod end looks good, but the part of the knuckle broke. So we need a new knuckle. Axle got pulled out of its hole down there. Oh, it might need a rebuild or something. So we need axle, the spindle, and a shock, and then this thing will be able to stand on its own. So we're gonna get into this next week. We're gonna leave the car as is. I'm gonna try to buy these during that time, and then we're gonna get into it. So this is actually a really short episode of an introduction to our new build, and I guess it's gonna be a really short video. But if you like the content of this video, you know what? Like, subscribe. I don't care. Do all that stuff. Just remember, if you ain't got haters, you ain't
Pop it! Pop it!